Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and add a payment button to your WordPress website step by step. Whether you are selling a product, accepting donations, or collecting payments, this guide will help you set it up in minutes. First of all, log into your PayPal business account at paypal.com. Search PayPal and click login button. Enter your login credentials and again click login. If you don't have a business account yet, you need to upgrade or create one. It's free and easy. Once logged in, click the gear icon for settings from your dashboard at the top. Click profile settings or go to activity section or wait a minute. Then choose PayPal buttons from here. Click shop create payment link button or search for PayPal button generator on Google. Click create new button. You will see several options like buy now, add to cart, or donate. Wait a minute, search for PayPal button generator. PayPal button generator. Now click the first link. Let's choose create new button like pay links and button and follow the process. Let's choose buy now for this example. Now fill in the item name, price and currency if needed. You can customize shipping or tax settings. Under step 2, choose how the button behaves after payment, like redirecting to a thank you page. Once done, click create button. After creating the button, PayPal will generate an HTML code. Click select code option, then right click and copy it. Now head over to your WordPress website. In your browser, search for WordPress and log into your account. Go to the page or post where you want to add the PayPal button. Switch to the text tab if you are using the classic editor. From appearance, then click themes and customize this site. Now double click on it, click the plus icon, search for code like that and write code here. If you are using the block editor, add a custom HTML block, paste the code you copied from PayPal right there. Preview the page to make sure the button appears correctly. Once done, click publish or update or save from the right side corner. Visit the page on the front end and test the button. Clicking it should redirect you to PayPal's secure checkout with the correct item and amount. You can create multiple buttons for different products or even use a plugin like PayPal Buy Now button. If you prefer not to use custom code. For this tutorial, I will use ChatGPT for this HTML code. Search ChatGPT and write a prompt like that. Write a HTML code about PayPal payment payments button. HTML code for WordPress. Then enter. And it's look like that. And copy the code and paste it to here. And then click save and preview the site. Click on preview section or view site option. Now let's talk about why PayPal. PayPal is one of the most trusted and widely used online payment platforms in the world. Here's why. Trusted worldwide, over 400 million users and accepted in 200 plus countries. Easy to use, simple setup for both personal and business accounts. Secure transactions, buyer and seller protection, strong encryption, and fraud detection. Flexible payment options, supports credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and PayPal balance. Instant transfers, fast access to funds with options for instant or standard bank withdrawals. Integration friendly, works seamlessly with websites, WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. Mobile friendly, easily send and receive money from your phone with the PayPal app. And that's it. You have successfully added a PayPal payment button to your WordPress site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.